Hello everyone, my name is Drashti and welcome to my creative corner. In today's video, we are going to make some fun DIYs with leftover cement. I hope you find it helpful and love it. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. In this first DIY, we are going to make cement coaster. For this you will need white cement or black cement, any of your choice, Fevicol, oil for greasing, paint sealer or transparent nail polish and acrylic colors. For this we will take one plastic bowl and grease it with any kind of oil and keep it aside. Now, while working with cement, you always need to wear compulsory gloves. Then I am taking some cement in plastic bowl, adding some Fevicol to it and adding water as required and making thick paste like consistency. Now I am transferring the paste into the oil greased container and evenly distributing it all over. Now I am tapping it so it is smooth from top. Now let it dry overnight. As you can see how easily it removes from the plastic bowl. Now I am taking sandpaper and smoothing its edges. Now I am taking white acrylic paint and applying a thin coat of it all over the coaster. Now I am applying second thick layer of white color and creating some black dots around all over it. Now I am adding some more white. I am creating marble like effect here. So I am taking these two, you can use anything. Now with the help of brush I am creating marble like effect, as you can see. I am adding some more white, more black and creating the design as I required. Now let it dry overnight and add thin coat of paint sealer or any transparent nail polish and let it dry. I have made same coaster with black cement, as you can see. Now I am smoothing its edges with the sandpaper. Now I am taking black acrylic color and applying thin layer of it all over the coaster. Here I am making dotting mandala kind of technique. You can do anything. For this I am taking some bright colors and dotting it all over it. For dotting you can use any kind of back of your pencil, Q-tip, toothpick. As you can see I am continuously adding some dots in circular pattern and you can use any color, you can use 1, 2, 3, any kind of. I am using 4, 5 colors for this. I have taken aqua blue, sea green color, purple color, coral pink color. Here I am using fuchsia pink color, green color, yellow color. I am using Q-tip for the yellow color. Now I am taking aqua color and creating small dots around the yellow dot. Now I am taking coral pink color again and creating more dots. Now I am taking green color and adding final circular pattern on the coaster. For filling the space, I am adding some more yellow dots here and there. on top of it. Now you can see your coaster is ready to use. In our next DIY, I am making key stand or jewelry hanger. For this you will need a big plastic container and grease it with oil and keep it aside. Now I am taking a plastic bowl. I have taken black cement and adding water into it and making thick paste like consistency. Add water as required. Now I am adding the paste inside the greased plastic container. Next I have taken dried plant stem and covered it with cement paste and let it dry overnight and painted it golden, as you can see. Now we are placing the plant stem inside the cement paste we have just prepared. Place it inside and let it dry overnight. Now, after removing it, you can see I am adding some more cement paste to cover the plant stem. You can see it is very easy, anyone can do it. Then I am going to paint the bottom of it with white color. You can use this stand for hanging your keys, for hanging your jewelry, or you can display your jewelry with it for decoration purpose. Here you can see our key hanger is done. For second DIY, we are making a planter out of cement. For this, you will need any kind of long round container and grease oil on the back side of the container and keep it aside. As you can see, I am doing it. Now take a bucket. I am using plastic bucket and greasing it with oil. Inside the bucket I am greasing with oil. Now I am taking plastic bowl and I have added black cement in it and adding water to make thick paste like consistency as required. And do not forget to wear gloves while working with cement. Now I am adding the mixture of cement into the greased plastic bucket and inside it I am adding that steel container which I have oiled from back side for creating hollow for our planter. Here as you can see I am adding the steel container. You have to press it and add some weight under the steel container so it stays put throughout the night. Now let it dry overnight or until it's dry. Next day I am removing it from the bucket. As you can see, it removed easily because we have greased it. Now you can do any creative stuff with it, color it, or you can use it as it is. Now I have taken rectangular plates as you can see and made tray out of it. We are using cement tray for any use. You can use to store it, your accessories, jewelry, keys, anything. As you can see I am removing it from the rectangular plate and I have painted it dark brown colored and golden color and let it dry overnight and seal it with paint sealer. As you can see our plate is ready. I have painted it brown and golden. If you like my video then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my video. If you find it helpful then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you recreate any of this then don't forget to share it with me on Instagram by tagging me. Okay, see you next time with the new video. Thank you. Bye bye.